Okay, so we are going to continue. Now, before you design any website, you need a domain and hosting. Yes, the question is, what is a domain? Now, a domain is like an address to your plot. Okay. Now, before you can build any website, you need a location and also a land. Okay. So that's what about hosting a domain. So we need a domain so that when someone enters the address on the search bar, it will take the person to our website. And also the domain is like a fraud or the server where we are going to build our website. So you need these two basic things in order to create a stunning and a beautiful website. Now, I will not take you to anywhere. The only place that I will show you, or I'm going to show you how to get an affordable web hosting and the domain name is Cloud Host Ghana. So first of all, let's go to the screen and let me show you how to get a cheap and an affordable hosting for 1 year. Let's go to the screen. To create a stunning website like this, you need a domain hosting, as I said. So first, to get if you need a web hosting, a fast one and a cheap domain, then go to Cloud Host Ghana. The link is below this video. This is our official web hosting platform where you can get affordable and the cheapest domain and a hosting for domain and a hosting. Okay, let's go down here, or I can go straight and select any of the package. So let me go to share hosting, or you can go with the WordPress hosting. I can decide to change the currency to Ghana cedis if I am in Ghana. Okay, good. So for now, I can see that it starts from 100 Ghana cedis and 138, 160. Yes. And we have WordPress one. The difference is that the WordPress one has unlimited hosting. Okay. Yes, you can add unlimited website, but this one is only one website. So you can just read through the features. We also have a reseller package. We have videos on how to go into reseller business. Okay, so for now, maybe I will go with this one. I already have a package here, but I just want to take you through steps in order to do that. Let's say if you are learning, if let's say you want to follow the steps and learn how to design a website, then I will advise you to go with the cheapest one, like starter one, which is 105 series. Now you need a domain too. If you don't have a domain, then you need to buy a new one. But if you already have one, then you can just go with this. You can select this tab that use on domain. Then you can enter the domain that you have already bought. Okay, here. But if you don't have at all, then you have to click on this tab, register a new domain, and I can enter the domain name that I want to buy. Let's say something like Irida host, or I can enter yes, Irida the guitar, Irida the guitars. Good. Dot xyz. Okay, dot xyz. By the way, my name is Amokwenes. I'm the founder of this platform and Irida the guitars. Okay, yes. If you are watching me for the first time, this is part one. I would advise you to look for the introduction video so that you understand what is going on here. So let's say I want to go with the XYZ. Or I can decide to click. Okay, so I will click the XYZ from here and select the XYZ extension from here and click check. Okay, so I can see that I can get it, and it's just 64 cities. Okay, 64 Ghana cities. If you are a foreigner, I would advise you to use direct so that you understand what is going on here. And we have other extension like .com in case you don't like the XYZ. But if you are if you want to just follow this tutorial and learn how to design this website, then I will advise you to go with the XYZ and the cheapest hosting as well, so that it will not be too expensive for you. Okay, so I can just click add to cart, and I can go down here and see that is click continue, and I can continue in the price. I can select the hosting billing system, billing cycle. We have 1 year and 2 years. 2 years is just 160, and 1 year is 105 cities. So which one will you go for? I can say. So yes, I will go with the 1 year one and click continue. And I can see that you can just select this one. It's for free. So just go ahead and select it. I can also click continue here, and you can see that the price for both hosting and domain is 169 Ghana cedis. I can click checkout, and it's very easy. You can pay with your Momo if you're in Ghana and you want to pay with MTN Momo, then you can do that. If you're outside Ghana and you have a credit card like Mastercard, Visa card, you can also pay using that card. Okay, it's very easy. I don't want to go through the process because I already have a package here. So let's say I have a package, as I said. Let me click login, and I can enter my email here and password. Let me click this checkbox. I'm not a robot. Yeah, it is true. I'm not a robot. Login. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of packages here, and I'm going to use one of them. Is six. Let me click it so that I will see all of them. So six packages. Okay, so let me go. This one, this is mine, the one that I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to click login to cPanel. It is written with red color here. So click that, and automatically it will log you to your cPanel. This is my cPanel. I call it Cloud Host Panel. Okay, Cloud Host Panel. This is an amazing one. It has a site lock if I don't want anyone to hack me. If I want to make it very difficult for hackers to hack me, it's not easy. But if you want to make it very, very difficult, then you can always put this one on. It's very nice to have it on. But in case you're going to work on your website, then you have to make sure that you always deactivate it, because you won't be able to log in if this one is on. Yes. So let me go down here, and uh, there's so much here. If you just bought this package, there's nothing to do here. All that you need to do is come here, go to edit PHP, click on that, and over here you can just change. This one is 128. You can just remove it and make it 125. Make sure you maintain the M. You make here 100. Here you see 30, delete it and add 60. Simple as that. Here you can delete whatever you have here and add your location name. Because I am in Ghana, if you are in let's say South Africa, you can just enter African stroke South. The moment you click that, you see something like that here. Let's say I'm in Africa stroke Ghana, Accra. Okay, ACC. Then I can see Accra here and click that. After that, make sure you update here and you see successful. That is that. Let me go back. Let me click on the logo. I can go down here. I can see Softaculous. Click on that. And to be honest, it's very simple and easy to do. So if I want to install WordPress, I can just click here. Okay, and I have the website on this domain. As you can see, is cloudhost.online. So I can decide to select a different package. Let me use this. This is a subdomain that I've created. Okay, so I want to use this subdomain, and I will go ahead and enter my username, generate a random password from here. Okay, and after that, I can decide to uncheck all this, but this one is a nice plugin. It's a pro plugin, so I would advise you to maintain it. I will uncheck this and check that and uncheck all of that. And the speed, you can also add this plugin, but I will remove it for now. Okay, and after that, I'm done. I can just go back. This domain has been added already. If I don't want to maintain this, if you want to add your Gmail, you can do that. Or if you want to add your professional email, you can just add it and later you create it. I can delete the move from there so that I have something like admin@cloudhost.online. I can just go down here and click install, and it will install WordPress on this subdomain. Okay, so as you can see, it's successful. I can click here to open it, the site, or I can decide to click here to log into my dashboard automatically without entering the password and the username. So I'm here. So far, so good. Thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at how to clean WordPress dashboard, how to install plugin. We will look at all the plugins that we need in order to continue with these tutorials. Uh, watch out for the next video. Bye bye.